Hey there, hi there, ho there. Hello there, my name is Adam. Welcome back to the channel Kaputy Inc. Today I'm going to be making a shelf on my welding cart here. This is like a little utility table I've got here, whatever you want to call it. I call it my welding cart. I just bought the Vulcan Omni Pro 220 multi-process welder, so MIG, TIG, stick. And I want that to sit down here. So first thing I need to do is find a place. I got these short tanks. One's 100% argon. The other one's 75-25 with what, CO2 or something like that. And I want those to sit right tight to this cabinet. This is a Harbor Freight cabinet under here that's bolted in here. Pretty sweet little setup. So that's going to go right in the middle here. And I'm going to use this. This is just like a leftover cutoff we took out of one of my dump truck boxes. So we're going to make a shelf. We're going to let the tanks dip below the shelf. So I think what I'll be able to do is cut pieces out of this, use it as the bottom, make a place on the top. You can bolt them in. So let's get kicking. gonna wrap up my torch tank holder. We got the plate there, 4 3/8 bolts that are nut zerted into the 2x2 steel tubing that makes the frame of this thing, makes the frame of the table. Next up, we got a shelf that we'll put the welder on, hold the torch leads, and I don't know what else exactly we're gonna do there. When this gets done, it'll all get powder coated the same color blue, which matches the toolbox. But for now, we're just adding to it as we go, and hopefully we'll have it figured out here in the next month or two what it's going to be and finish it so we can get it painted, so or powder coated actually. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please tell me I'm handsome, tell me I'm an idiot. Either way, I appreciate the interaction. So subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.